peep this up. I'm about to show y'all how to take a toilet off and also do it the right way without spilling water everywhere. First, you gotta have a wet shop vac, which that's what this is. This is a shop vac, shop wet vac. It does both. It sucks up dust and it sucks up water. But first, you have to open it up, and that filter right there, you gotta take it off. It pops right off. See? Put it to the side. You don't want it to get wet. And once it gets wet, it's over. Next, you gotta take the bag out. You don't want the bag to get wet either. It's a good bag, they're expensive. And then, take the bag out, take the filter out, leave it empty. Put this back on. Come enjoy the ride with me. I'm about to show you next what to do. Deuces. I'm back. Okay. So shop vac I just showed you. I'm about to show you how to get that water out the bowl. And how to get that little bit of water out the tank. That way you can carry the toilet without spilling water all over people's house. Let me steal on my tricks, y'all. I'm gonna show you. All you gotta do is probably took no longer than what, 20 seconds? 20 seconds. Shop vac, empty bowl, empty tank, good to go. It's ready to take off. And that's that. Deuces!